welcome back to another Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing. This is for my May 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag. I got the pink and gold variant, which is really pretty. I think it looks kind of like a sunrise, although, of course, in my heart I kind of hoped for the blue one. I'm actually not upset seeing this in person. Like, that's actually really beautiful. Like I said, the second I looked at it, it made me think of a sunrise, and I love watching the sunrises, so I was like, I actually, I'm pretty happy with that. So, anywho, gonna go ahead and open this up here. Get the little card out. So this is hashtag Ipsy Get That Glow, May of 2020. A new season is finally on the horizon. Let the excitement in the air spark new ideas like sunset lids or megawatt highlighter, and bask in every light you find. Ready to get glowing? To learn more about your products, head to Ipsy.com for tips, tricks straight from our pros. Oh. So, I don't have my usual list of products in here. This has, like, info on Highlighter 101 in different formats. Okay. Well, in that case, I guess I can just put that aside because we don't need to read that then. At least not right now. So, we'll just go through here. First thing in here is an add-on. I used points to get this one, but this is the Tony Moly I'm Honey Deep Moisture Rescue Mask. As I think I've stated in quite a few videos lately, I have been, like, really crazy into, like, face masks lately. I feel like my skin has definitely been looking better and more overall glowy for it too, and generally has been behaving itself a lot better since I've been doing those on the regular and taking better care of my skin overall. But yeah, so I got that. As an aside, definitely started a subreddit for face masks too, because evidently one did not exist for, facial face masks and not the face coverings from a certain virus that we still can't say the name of on YouTube without getting demonetized. So I started one. It's on Reddit at /r/skincare face masks. I almost said sheet masks. Skincare face masks. So if you're interested in joining, I literally just started it 2 days ago. Go join. So anyways, got that guy. I'm really excited for it. By Tarte, I got this H2O gloss, which I think is one of their, like, deluxe samples, and this one, does it have the color name? In Sail Away, which makes me think of the Styx song, Come Sail Away, of course, but, trying to not get it in the glare of the sun, but it's like a really pretty kind of a mauve color. I think it's gonna be really pretty on me, actually. Man, even with the blinds pulled down, I'm still getting that, like, ethereal glow from the sun. If I push it back, does it help? Ah! Aha! There we go! That works better. Okay, I can hang with that. So, we've got that gorgeous little guy. Let's... Aha! There! Now you can see the color, even though it's way back here. So yeah, there's that. I've also got a nail polish. This, for once, minus the add-on mask that I threw in, my mom and I actually got identical Ipsy bags this month, which has never happened in the entire time that she and I have both been doing them at the same time. So this is by I think it's Be Your Incredible Self with Nails Ink, and the color name is Camellia Drive. And it's this really, like, deep berry color. I'm trying to not get the sun glaring out, but also not be in a shadow. This is a really tricky time of day to film at, by the way. If you've not tried to do this, I mean, you can kind of see it in the sunlight. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying really hard here. It's a really effed up time of day to film. Kind of wish I had done this earlier. Wait. I had it for a second. Come back. Where did it go? There! You can kind of see it in that lighting right there, about the color it is. It's, like, slightly deeper in person than it looks like it is on the viewfinder, but it's really pretty, and I'm very much looking forward to trying this. I've never used this brand before, or even heard of them, so I don't know if they're good, bad, or otherwise, but we're gonna find out. So I got that. From Goldfaden MD, I got the Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment. Dr. Goldfaden's Overnight Creamy Facial Moisturizer will make skin appear firmer and feel stronger, leaving skin supple, smooth, and hydrated. Because I'm about that age where I'm needing stuff like that before anything gets worse than it already is, because it's not bad yet, and I'd like to keep it that way if we can help it. Okay, I'm gonna keep moving this table around to try and mitigate the sun being a bastard. That's actually, you know, probably a better angle anyway, minus the sun being right in my eyes. So this is by First Aid Beauty, which you guys know I love, but I'm a little iffy on the main ingredient here. It's the Fab Pharma Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask to soothe and de-stress. Now, arnica, if I'm not mistaken, does that not come from the same plant as arsenic? Because I'm pretty sure I googled this and it very much does. I knew it sounded like it and I wasn't sure if it was a name that just sounds similar or if it in fact actually is. So, it is, to my understanding, and there have been fatalities linked to even topical usage of it. So I am more than a little iffy with this guy. I don't know if I feel safe using it. Gotta be completely honest there. But I'm gonna do more research into this one before just slapping it on my face, because I always like to know what I am putting on my skin before I just throw it on there. And that one makes me real nervous, if I'm being honest. I think that's the first time I've gotten something from Ipsy where I've felt iffy about actually using it. And finally, the last, let me take a sip. Sorry about that. The last item I got is an eyeshadow, which of course makes me happy, from the brand Space Case Cosmetics, which I have gotten several times from them in the past, and I've really liked each time I've gotten it. And this is in the color, I love the name, Intense Stargasm. I'm like, well played. I love it. I love it. Especially being a Ringo Starr fan. I had to. Okay, I had to go there. Anyway, so this is a really pretty silvery shade. Let me open it up and show you guys. There you go. Look at that. And thankfully, this one's a pressed one, so I can do that without it dumping out like that one time fairly early into my Ipsy subscription. And it was a loose one, and I didn't know, and I went to hold it up that way, and it went everywhere and completely ruined a pair of jeans that I never got it out of, no matter how many times I washed them. I've had a little bit of PTSD over that every time I have held up an eyeshadow since then, in making absolutely certain before I tilt it up that it is in fact a pressed one. But yeah, that's actually very pretty, and it's ironic since I'm wearing gold right now. Although, if I post the ones from today in order, you guys already know I'm wearing gold right now. But silver is kind of more my jam, so this is probably going to look better on me, but we'll see. But yeah, that's what I got in my May bag. I still have to do the May Glam Bag Plus box, but yeah, I'm actually fairly happy with the May bag. I mean, with the exception of the one item I feel iffy on, but even if I shouldn't end up using that, I got an additional mask, so it kind of fills the gap of the one that I may not end up using if I deem it unsafe. So, yeah, all's well that ends well, I think. So, anyway, guys, that is it for this one. Let me get that back in there so I can read the highlighter thing later. So, anywho, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway guys, till next time, bye bye.